What up, guys? How you doing? Me, I'm doing good. I'm just chilling. I'm on vacation right now, just chilling outside with the nice view, as you can see. And I didn't wanna like make a editing type of video. I just wanted to make a video about when I'm just talking. Because I feel like sometimes I can really reach out people, maybe help people by making this kind of videos. Not trying to make any editing or whatever. It's just freestyling actually. I thought about the fact that I thought about discipline. You know, I thought about discipline. I thought about the fact that I'm so into self improvement that I don't even like I don't even see myself doing something else. You know, like I'm in vacation right now, but I still think about self improvement, building some business. Keep growing my YouTube channel. You know, having this financial freedom. You know, this is the only thing I think about. Like I'm still on vacation, but you know, I feel like I'm not really on vacation because to me it's vacation. To be serious with you, to me it's vacation. But I was with my friend and she told me that I don't feel like you're in vacation, and I was like, what are you talking about? And she told me you always trying to find some time to maybe work on your music, work on your videos, and you are here to chill. And I was like, I told her like, yeah, I'm chilling. To be real with you, I'm chilling. Like I'm on vacation. But she told me, no, you're not, because you're still working. Vacation are for people to just chill and relax and not working all the time like you do. Like I see that you've slowed down. You don't work as you normally do when you are in Paris or in Switzerland. But we in Bali right now, I can see that you still wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning. You keep doing your routine. You still work out, and then maybe you go to the pool to chill, and then you gotta work on your videos. Maybe when I'm asleep, so you sleep later than me, etc. And I was like, yeah, but this is part of me. And this is the reason why I wanted to make this video, because when you are very focused and disciplined, you get to a point of your life where it's already a part of you. It's already you. You cannot help it anymore. Like I don't see myself, to be serious with you, I don't see myself sleeping and waking up like at 10 a.m. or whatever. Even when I'm on vacation, like I want to wake up like at 5 a.m., make my push-ups, always doing my push-ups, trying to work on myself, try to challenge my body, etc. And then maybe relax in the pool and take a shower, come back, read a little bit, or working on my videos, because I got my cameras right now, but I'm making reels also on YouTube. So I'm just starting this reel journey. So I'm trying to make a lot of reels with an encouragement message, but I do it on my phone, and then I make a lot of reels, and then I post it online. And that's what I do. Even when I'm chilled like this, I keep working. And to me, I don't even feel like I'm working. I'm feeling like, to me, it's like it's a lifestyle already. I don't see myself doing anything else. I'm way too obsessed with what I'm doing. I'm way too obsessed with success. I'm way too obsessed with self improvement. to the point where I really don't see myself doing anything else, you know. I really don't see myself just chilling, be by the pool or be at the beach all day. No, I need to work on myself too. I need to this is something I do to keep being alive, you know. It's not even about work anymore, you know. When you start this new journey, it becomes like, at first you feel like it's about work and you gotta keep improving, you gotta keep being on your self improvement journey, etc. But as long as you keep doing it, it becomes like a lifestyle, and you can't help it but work on yourself. You can't help it but keep thinking about self-improvement. You can't help it but thinking about your business, thinking about what you want to build, you know. You can't help it. You can't help it, you know. Few minutes before shooting my reels, etc., I was working. I was working on myself, like doing push-ups, etc. And then I read, you know, and then I was even I realized that even when I'm not doing anything, I'm still working because I'm always thinking about my vision, always thinking about what I want to put in place, always thinking about all of that, you know. I always think about all of that, and I'm to the point where I feel like it's so into me, like it's already a part of me. I can't help it but do it that way, you know. And when you get to that self-improvement journey, that's where you want to be. You want to be to a point where it's a second nature. No, let me correct myself. You gotta get to a point where it's a first nature. You know, it's a first nature. Self-improvement gotta be a first nature. Working on your business, working on yourself, working on your vision, working on your goals, working on your dreams, working on everything you want to put in place in your life, gotta be a lifestyle, gotta be a first nature. You can't help it but do it, you know. And that's what I'm doing right now. Whatever you're trying to do in your life, whatever you're trying to build in your life, if you are really serious about that, it gotta be a first nature. It gotta be a first nature. Otherwise you won't make it. It gotta be to a point where you feel like you can't do anything else. So I'm gonna wrap up for today. I hope my message, my word, my video is gonna inspire somebody else. And peace.